Alright guys, here is Satan's replacement. I'm gonna have to get a name for this car, so hold on before you leave, because there is something about this car that's really gonna surprise you. So I just got it. It's a 2018, so it's a little bit dirty. I mean, but it's 2018. This is a nice car. I got my payments down to $336 over a 4-year period, so hopefully I can pay about $400 a month and get this sucker paid off early. It's got, I think, 16-inch tires there. Let's walk around this side, and I had to put Percy in there. He's been in every car I've ever owned. Percy is, see, 28, 38, 48. He's going close to being 40 years old, and I love this color blue. So that's it. And you know, it looks like a crossover. There's the back of the car. I don't want you to see something there yet. Let's open up this trunk. So, you know, probably more space than I had in my Accent. You can get a little thing to go here to cover this, but I'm not worried about that. LED tail lights, gas tank. So I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna show you something. I had to get the mats in. I got these old ones in here. This car, let me show you this again. Now look at this car. Okay, looks like a regular, you know, crossover, small SUV, plenty of room. So I drove this car from the dealership to home. You can see this, almost all electric. It's a hybrid. Look at, I'm getting 58 miles a gallon. Now, no, it's not going to stay like that. Right now, you can't hear it, but the car is on. I was impressed that I got that much electric driving coming home. I was coming down EAD Avenue, and yeah, I'm really happy so far. So this is it, Satan's replacement. I got me a hybrid. Yeah, I'm one of those people now. Like I said, the beauty of this car, you will not know that this is a hybrid, except, listen, it's running right now. The only way you can tell this car is a hybrid, right there, that little sticker. So it's cool to have a hybrid, but not have a, my neighbor actually has a Prius. It doesn't look like a hybrid. It looks like a regular old car. So, all right guys, this is it. This is a Kia Niro, N-I-R-O. I had never even heard of them. I started shopping for cars, and I saw this online, and good price. Got a great payment plan. I think my interest rate's 5.9%. So hopefully I can do this like I do all my other cars, get this paid off early. So yeah guys, if you get a chance, I need a name for it. So post a comment down below, let me know what I should name this car. So far I love this car. Like I said, drove it all the way home, almost all electric mode. I'm digging it. All right guys, I'll see you next time.